Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Krista, and that's Kevin. And on our show, we cook and make cocktails, craft, and vlog. Today, we're gonna be making a cocktail. We call today Happy Hour. What we're making today is essentially called a running back harvest cider, I think was the title of it, but it's a Crown Royal recipe and it sounded so good and so perfect for Thanksgiving that I couldn't help but make it for you today so you still have time to go out and get the ingredients if you want to make it yourself. It's an apple Moscow Mule. Now, I love my Moscow Mules and I am ashamed that I did not pack and move in with us a copper mug. So my Moscow Mule is gonna be a little non-traditional by putting it in a wine glass. And they're plastic, because, you know, we're classy like that. But it's the simplest recipe. Kevin's laughing at me. It's the simplest recipe. If you have yourself a nice big bottle of Crown Apple, it's gonna be 1.5 ounces. Or you can go a little heavier and just do an entire mini bottle. Mini bottle. Jesus, what did they do with this thing? You're like, it's prohibition 2.0, you can't have that. Okay, so 1 full mini bottle of Crown Apple in a glass with ice. Now it's traditionally in a copper mug, obviously, but like I said, I don't have that. It's so cute. Okay, then we're gonna have 2 ounces. Excuse you. We're gonna have 2 ounces of apple cider. Now, of course, you can get any apple cider, but you're not really gonna get any apple cider. Get Lighthouse apple cider because it's the best. I think I have to shake it because it's made with real fruit, and so there's a little sediment in shipping. So, okay, we're good.
And it smells good already.
Yeah. I'm gonna put 2 ounces of apple cider. And you would top it off with ginger beer. Now, obviously, this isn't the normal size mug, so I can't do the normal amount. I'm just gonna do... Great, sounds good. It's about half a bottle. Oh, it's 2 ounces. It's 2 ounces is what the thing says, but the recipe says to top it off. That was a little more than 2 ounces. It's fine. I like ginger beer, so we're gonna give it a little swizzle. And at this point in your fancy copper mugs, you could decorate it with a slice of apple and a cinnamon stick, but ain't nobody got time for that in this episode. I'm just gonna drink it from my plastic glass. It smells good. It smells like a freaking apple pie. Oh. I'm glad we got 2 of those. I know you don't like ginger, but it's not beer. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
It tastes like apple pie. A spicy apple pie.
That's pretty good.
Right? And he doesn't like ginger beer, so it kind of, and this could just be how much ginger beer I put in there, but it kind of hurts the sides of my tongue. It's fine. It's delicious, and I can't wait to have more. I will probably top it off with a little more apple cider, just to make it a little nicer on my palate, so I went a little heavy-handed on that. But I highly recommend for a Thanksgiving drink. Ooh, you could probably put this, like, heat up the apple cider and make it like a toddy. Although I've never had a Moscow Mule as a toddy. Do it at your own discretion. Anyway, thank you for joining us on this episode. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel. And while you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time we do one of these. I love you. I will see you later. Bye. You could top this with some whipped cream. Do we have whipped cream? No, I threw it away. Oh, that'd be good though. top it with whipped cream and a little cinnamon, like cinnamon sugar or cinnamon and nutmeg. Or is this still on? Great, perfect. Top it with that. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do a take 2 on this and I'm gonna put it on Instagram. I'm not gonna do a video or anything. Well, maybe I will. Maybe I'll do an Instagram live. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna do this again for Thanksgiving and I'm gonna put a picture of it, at least, with all the accoutrement, with the whipped cream and the garnishes, and hopefully in a proper vessel. But I don't think I'm gonna have time to go find my proper vessel. Damn. Maybe not in a proper vessel. Don't hold it against me. Okay, see you later.